In this video I'll tell you everything: how to be charismatic, change your appearance and finally get girls. I've been where you are. I wasted time scrolling, I messed up my look, I didn't know how to talk to people, I fixed it step by step. If something here doesn't land, ask in the comments, I'll answer what I didn't cover. Grooming and hygiene, look like you respect yourself. Most guys skip the basics and expect magic. Bad teeth, oily skin, messy hair and shirt that smells like yesterday won't help your presence. Do this. Shower daily, use a simple skincare routine, cleanser plus moisturizer plus SPF, trim nails, keep hair tidy or learn a basic cut, brush and floss, and use a subtle deodorant, not 10 sprays of cologne over bad hygiene. Action plan for today: shower, brush and floss, shave and trim or style hair, clean nails. Do that for 7 days and it changes how people unconsciously react to you. Body and posture. Move like someone who matters. You don't need a gym membership to look better, basic strength and posture are everything. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up, chest open, do 20 push-ups and a 1-minute plank daily to start building tone and confidence. Walk 3 times a week for 30 minutes if you can't train. Movement changes hormones and mood. Practice standing and talking in front of a mirror for 2 minutes, fix your posture. People read posture first. A slouch says, "I don't care." Common mistake: 90% waiting for a big transformation, doing nothing because, "I'll start Monday." Bottom line: posture plus basic strength equals immediate upgrade. Voice and communication. Speak like you mean it. A low, calm voice and clear words are huge for attraction. Don't shout, don't rush, practice diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, exhale 6. Read 1 paragraph out loud every day, record it, listen and slow down. Drop filler words, like, by pausing instead. Learn to ask short, meaningful questions and actually listen. Social skills and charisma. Be interested, not needy. Charisma is mostly attention and confidence. The trick: be curious, ask 1 open question and follow it. Mirror small body language, smile genuinely, and hold eye contact a beat longer than feels comfortable. Give small compliments that aren't about appearance, compliment an idea, a taste, a story. Practice telling 1 short story about yourself that's interesting, not bragging, just memorable. Lifestyle habits: sleep, food, routine, friends. You can't fake a healthy life. Sleep 7 to 9 hours, eat real food 80% of the time, limit late-night junk scrolling. It wrecks your skin, mood and focus. Pick 1 hobby that grows you: music, sport, coding, and do 30 minutes 4 times a week. Evaluate your circle. If your friends celebrate laziness, you will plateau. Money note: money doesn't make you attractive, it buys convenience and can attract the wrong people. This is all I wanted to tell you. Now it's on you, dude.